Why is everyone currently buying this modern LoveSeat on Amazon right now? I'm going to show you. First, I want to tell you, this LoveSeat is currently selling over 1,000 units per month on Amazon alone. So people are absolutely loving it. It has almost 1,000 4.5 to 5-star reviews. So people are loving it. The social proof's there. They're buying it in droves. That's why we bought it. But just want to give you guys an idea. I believe, let's see, it's 71. Yeah, it's about 71 inches across, just to give you an idea. So it's kind of like a nice, it's compact, but in a way, like for a LoveSeat, it's oversized, which I think is what you want. And then you've got 32 inches that way. So that gives you an idea on if it's going to fit or not. Now, the crazy thing about this actually comes in 2 boxes. You're not going to believe, first of all, how small the boxes are, and then how nice this couch is and how easy it is to assemble. Very easy assembly process, extremely comfortable. I mean, really supportive down here, but you still have that kind of like the softness too. Really padded back here. It's got a really nice depth to it. It's not too shallow. And it's also not too high, but it's not too low, if that makes sense. A thing that I think really sets it apart and makes it look very, very high end. And if you think about the number on the product page, the fact that I'm calling this high end, that's crazy, dude. But it is. You get this like the thick, kind of that thick like modern vibe with the armrests, and then how solid the base is. It's just really nice, dude. And this is definitely oversized. I mean, clearly it's built for 2 people. You could easily fit 3 on here. So just super nice. It's very easy for me to see why everyone's buying it, and that's why we bought it.